Hey you guys, it's your girl T Marie. I'm back with another video and I'm going to re-dye my natural hair magenta. That's the color it always is under my wig, or like usually when I have a weave, that's the color that I use for my weave. It's my go-to. I'll talk about my broken nail, I'll fix it tomorrow, but anyway, yeah, that's my go-to color. It's grown out a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I do to get my hair this color, magenta. And also before we get all the way into the video, please do me a favor and like and subscribe, please. Thank you. All right, here we go. Okay, you guys, so I already combed my hair out, and I went ahead and mixed up the hair color off camera. If you didn't hear me, what I said, what color I mean, I'm gonna put the stuff that I use in the description, but this is the hair color that I use. It's L'Oréal HICOLOR in Magenta. And I've used this for, my hair's been this color for some, well, like my real hair for some years now, so. But this is just how I go ahead and, how I get this color, but I'm gonna just do my roots because I don't need to put it on all of my hair. And I'm only doing the front. The back, I did the roots. I had a different hairstyle, and I did the roots in the back, you know, just half-assing some shit real quick. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the roots in the front. Basically, this front right here, most likely. Yeah, about right here. All right, let's get started. See, that's why I came to this bathroom, because I just knew I was gonna get this stuff everywhere like I always do. You guys, if you do decide that you want to do this color, use gloves. And I know I don't have none on, and I usually never do because I don't know, I just don't. And make sure you don't get it all over the place like I do, because I just got it on my little rug in the bathroom, and I like that rug, and it's new, and then now I'm not gonna be able to get the stain out, but it's all right. I get the color out of my hands with shampoo, or I use alcohol and it comes off. Maybe other people have other ways, but that's how I do it. And yes, I do need to come up that far on it because I have these little hairs that be in the front chilling, and they not quite baby hairs, they just like newborn hairs or something, because they can't really do nothing. Alright, so I do that, and then I part it just a little bit. I know other people probably have great ways of doing this, but this is how I like to do it. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks after, when I flat iron my hair about, let me see, maybe like my real hair like 3 times a year, maybe. Not natural or nothing like that. I'm never gonna claim to be in no video, because I do color my hair. I do blow dry it, not often. Even when I have a weave and I have a leave out, I still don't blow dry my hair. I air dry the leave out. But yeah, definitely not natural. I wouldn't mind it, but I really like my weaves and wigs and things, and I like to blow dry my hair. I'm not letting the air dry, girl. I don't want to. Everybody has their preference, and that's mine. And I used 30 developer. I don't never go higher than that. I just can't do it. Hold up, y'all. Oh. I might go a little further back. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I want to wear my hair in a high slick bun, and I was really tired of like the way it looked with my new growth, and then my red hair in the bun part. I don't know, it looked weird, so I was like, you know, let me start being lazy and recolor my hair, because my wig will be back on this Friday. Yeah, so I'll probably rock the red bun for a few days, and then put a wig in for the weekend, put a wig on, and then probably take it off, because I don't leave the wig on for longer than 2-3 days anyway. I know it could last longer, but I just can't do it. I'm gonna be over it that quick. I'm sorry, I just had to mix it a little more. But this is pretty much the only color like in the last, I'll say like 5 years that I've dyed my real hair. I'm just a fan of red hair. I love red hair. I love burgundy hair, magenta, wine colored, all that. Love, 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 love. Okay, I think that's as far as I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do a little bit on the other side too though. And if you're scared to color your hair, then I advise you not to do it. But I've been doing this on my real hair, dye my real hair different colors for a long time. Red, maybe the past 5 years, but I was always dyeing my own hair. But yeah, if you're scared, then yeah, you might want to get you a professional to help you out. Me, if I'm I mean, my hair's never fell out due to me doing this, but if I'm gonna have it fall out, I'll make sure I'm the cause of that, not nobody else. So yeah, I'm also gonna, cause I have a little more, I'm gonna go on and get around this back part, cause I got some new growth popping back there too. Not too much, but enough to where I feel like I should slap a little bit of color on there. And this does go straight from brown, or well, yeah, my hair was dark brown originally, and I went straight from dark brown to this color. So it is definitely less harsh than having to bleach your hair blonde and then put the color on, because I know Adore has some cute colors. But I'm not about to color my real hair blonde right now. Can't see me doing that. No wig, all day, but or maybe even a weave, closure or something, but not my real. Oops. No, I would not dye my eyebrows. I have a friend who keeps telling me like, dye your eyebrows, they'll be so cute. I'm like, girl, I'm not dyeing my eyebrows. No. All right, I believe I'm done. Just want to make sure I went up high enough. So when I wear my high bun, it's even. All right, I'm done, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is let this process for a little bit. I know some people like to put heat while they process. I don't. Only time I use heat to process the hair is when I'm coloring my weave. Like my weave hair, I'll put this on it, and then I sometimes will process it with like blow dryer, or I'll wrap it in foil or something. But when I'm doing it with my real hair, I don't do none of that. I just let it do its thing, and then I'll say like 15 minutes, I go ahead and wash it off. And then I'm gonna show you what shampoo I use to rinse it out, and what conditioner I use. The only thing I put in my hair to keep it from falling out and getting dry, I guess you could say, not really falling out, but I use coconut oil. I use pure coconut oil in my hair. That's pretty much it. And remember a year ago, I don't know if you guys have watched that video, but a year ago my hair was like up here. It had fell completely out. I was on birth control, and it was coming out like in strands. So then after I got off of that my hair grew back, which is great. I'm so happy it came back. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the shampoo I use. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna let this process wash it out and let you guys know. All right, I'll be right back.